Sir, just one more.
You have exceeded 5 questions.
Five already, no?
Yes.
One more. I hope this is the last question with this. With the day. Okay. Since the Honorable Minister had made a clarification, like suppose now if we cannot go ahead with this project, so the government is firm to return back the money. That is one point. So second point, whether the state government still actively continue, considering bringing this very project. I would like to get a clarification.
Sitting in Secretariat and in Shillong will not help. So if we go to the ground zero, sir, you will get the correct information from the people. I could see when I look at the face of those people living in these, they are full of fear, sir. They could not even speak freely because they are scared. So, which is why a decision recently during this MDC election in Mukro, where they decided to boycott the election, the MDC election, because of the failure of the government to bring security. So first, I feel that before we discuss any activities or any development in the border areas, especially in these disputed areas or the areas that has problem, we need to develop a sense of security in the minds of the people. We need to ensure that the people are feeling safe and feeling secure and are protected. When you go to Mukro area, you will really feel, ashamed as members of this August House, sir. When you look at the police station, police outposts of the Assam government, they are there in a well-constructed building. And when you look at our police personnel, you'll find they are occupying a makeshift tent with few police personnel only. So how do we expect that the local people will feel safe when they see that the number of personnel in the border area is too less comparing to the Assam counterpart? So, sir, I will not take much of the time, but I would really and sincerely urge, because I associate myself also with the sentiments of the people living in the border areas. Though I have been raising this issue many a time in this August House, I just wonder when I will face a situation that I will not need to raise this issue again in this August House. But sir, after 53 years of our statehood, we are still discussing the same, and we cannot bring a sense of security in the minds of the people where the people are living in fear. So I think we have done great injustice to the people living in the border areas, sir. So with these few words, sir, I resume my seat.
Thank you.